We created this CRM evaluation rubric so you can make a decision after your CRM free trial based on actual data and insights versus a vague memory. So I'll walk you through how this works. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you'll notice it's view only. So you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Google account and then make a copy. You can rename it whatever you'd like or just delete copy of. And now you'll have your own copy that you can edit as you like. So you'll notice there's a sheet for each CRM that you may be trialing. If you have more than 3, just click that and hit duplicate. You can fill in the name as well of each CRM to keep things super organized. Then same as up here, go in and fill out the CRM name, the trial end date. If there's any login information, you'll add that. With Streak, you just add it right into your Gmail via a browser extension, so there's no additional login information. Next, and this is a really important part, is we recommend you take a little bit of time to sit down and think about what goals or problems you're really trying to solve at your company and actually write them down here. And this is going to really help you evaluate if the CRM works for you. And it'll keep you focused on your original goals, and so you can evaluate each platform fairly and consistently. Then in this section below, we have a few key areas where you can keep track of insights and feedback. And this is going to help you keep everything concrete versus relying on your memory, because sometimes we know it can take weeks or months to make a decision on a CRM. So each of these insights are things that we think are really important to evaluate for each CRM. And we chatted actually with our head of customer success to get these insights. You could read more about it in the blog post that we've linked here. We kind of guide you through what each of these means and why it's important. And then, of course, you can add more rows if you have other things you want to evaluate. And then as you're going through the CRM, just go ahead and check off what you think for each one on a scale of 1 to 5. So for things like importing customer data or manually entering a new lead, stuff like that, and then you can jot down your own notes and you'll basically replicate that for each CRM that you're trialing, and you'll have this really nice sheet of data that you can come back to when it's time to make a decision.